The new Pixel 9 Pro Fold is finally here, delivers high-end specifications with new set of AI features. It directly against the OnePlus Open, the folded-up hardware is pretty similar across the board. Both devices have nearly the same aspect ratio to their outer displays and they're nearly the same size as well. The Pixel does have a much smaller camera module on the back, though, and I'm also personally inclined to like the matte finish of the side rails on the Pixel versus OnePlus choice of a polished finish. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold boasts an 8-inch internal and a 6.3-inch external screen. The OnePlus Open boasts an ever so slightly smaller inner OLED display, a 7.83-inch one, while the external one is also a 6.3-inch one. Both displays will be OLED ones, with 120Hz refresh rate. The Pixel is also thinner than the OnePlus Open, coming in at 10.5mm to the Open's 11.7mm, but it is noticeably heavier. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold has a better IP rating of IPX8 compared to the Open's IPX4 rating. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold will come along with the Tensor G4 chipset, which is based on a 4nm manufacturing process. The OnePlus Open came with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, both has 16GB of RAM, but the OnePlus Open doesn't have that many AI features, while the Pixel 9 Pro Fold has set of AI features. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold have a 48-megapixel main camera, a 10.5-megapixel ultra-wide snapper, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto sensor. OnePlus Open is equipped with a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 64-megapixel 3x telephoto camera, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. The OnePlus Opens has a slightly larger battery capacity of 4,805 mAh compared to the Pixel 9 Pro Fold's 4,650 mAh. I think Pixel 9 Pro Fold has a better option here, because the phone have a lot of AI features. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.